All right, so when adding fractions or mixed numbers, the most important thing you must do is you must have a common denominator, okay? You cannot do addition or subtraction, denominator, if you don't have a common denominator. Let's look what happens. If I want to add 1/2 plus 2/4, we'll say, okay, we all know that 1/2 and 1/2 is one whole. But if I don't find a common denominator, look what happens. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. So are we going to say that a half and a half equals a half? Clearly that's not true. Okay, we know that. So what we have to do instead is when we're adding them, we got to find a common denominator. Now I see that I can take 1/2 and I can multiply this by 2 over 2 to now get 2 out of 4 plus 2 out of 4, which will give me 4 out of 4. Notice I did not add the denominators together, which will then equal 1. Okay? That's what you do for adding fractions. Now, if you are going to add mixed numbers, it's not much different. If we were looking at something such as like 2 1/3 plus, we could say 3 5/7. Okay? The first thing you want to do is you want to add the whole numbers. So 2 and 3 is 5. Then we want to add the fractions. Okay? But we have to find a common denominator first. Some teachers will tell you you have to find the lowest common denominator. I don't. I'm telling you, just take your two denominators, okay? We got 3, and our other denominator is 7. And what you do, and this works every single time, you take the denominator of 1, multiply it by the other, okay? So look what I did here. I took the 7 over 7, put it over here. I took the 3 over 3, put it over here. Because then when I multiply them, look what happens. 5 keeps going down. I get 7 out of 21 plus 15 out of 21, which will be what? 5, and let's see, 7 and 15 is 22, which really means I have 6 and 1 out of 21. Okay, because 22 out of 21, we can change it to its own mixed number. So what do we remember from this video? The most important part, you must find a common denominator before adding or subtracting fractions or mixed numbers.